Good afternoon, everybody. I am Dr. Srinivas Ambike, consulting nephrologist at Jahangir Hospital. Today I am going to speak to you all about the burning topic which I would say which all of us are concerned with in these difficult times about COVID-19 or coronavirus infection, which is affecting the whole world and has been rightly labeled as a pandemic. The precautions, especially the kidney patients or the patients with kidney disease that they need to take in these difficult times. I would suggest that as has been repeatedly informed by lay press and by our Prime Minister, not to come out in the open unless it is mandatory, to take due precautions in the form of using masks whenever you are going outside, not to unnecessarily touch surfaces which can be infected. At the same time, we should take care that you don't miss on your routine follow-ups. If you have any symptoms which suggest a worsening of your kidney disease, it is better to reach the hospital rather than stay home. If you are if you are known to have a kidney disease, if you are a diabetic and on medications for diabetes, for kidney diseases, if you are on medications for blood pressure, any new symptoms in the form of say peripheral edema, swelling of the feet, swelling over the face, you should reach out to your nephrologist. I would assure you that at Jahangir we have a separate flu OPD wherein patients who are suspected to have COVID disease are not seen or not entertained in the same OPD as ours. So it would be a suggestion for all of you that the OPDs are running. The government also has advised us to continue with our OPDs, and if you have symptoms in any form, and if you are having kidney disease, it is better to reach to your hospital. You would be screened, you would be seen to it that you don't have any symptoms, and you would be directed accordingly. It is better to reach out the hospital in time rather than sitting at home. Patients who are on dialysis, they should not be scared of reaching the unit, because if you miss a dialysis, that is going to be more dangerous, that would endanger your life. So your dialysis schedule you should strictly adhere to, and we have taken care at the dialysis unit. The patients are instructed accordingly, the staff is taking precautions so that there is no intra-unit spread of any sort of infection. Patients who have undergone a transplant in the recent times should avoid coming to the hospital. What we normally advise is to get the investigations done at your native place and probably communicate to your consultants, to your treating transplant physicians, who would probably get back to you. One more suggestion for patients who have undergone a transplant is the immunosuppressants that you all are taking are your life-saving drugs. So in case you have any difficulty in getting these medicines, procuring them, we have services, we have tied up with medical stores which would deliver your drugs at your doorsteps. What is important is not to miss even a single dose of your immunosuppressants, because that entails risk of rejection. These basic precautions we need to take. One more thing which I would like to add is coronavirus or COVID is not going to be a one-time affair. We will need to understand that it is going to stay with us and we will have to accept it as a part of life. So there is no point in fearing or having a panic reaction about the disease. We need to go on. So it would be better to reach the hospital rather than not take medical aid at the time when it is very much essential. Because as I said, if the way we've had repeated episodes or repeated epidemics of influenza virus, swine flu, this is going to come and it is going to be a regular affair. So there is no point in getting scared of it and not reaching the hospital, because that would be more detrimental if you don't get proper medical aid at the time that it is needed. So I would suggest that if you need to reach the hospital with whatever due precautions that have been highlighted time and again, you need to reach the hospital and take care of your medical illnesses. Just because COVID is going to be there, that doesn't mean that we should not or we would not be treating other illnesses. With this, I end, and I thank you all on behalf of Jahangir Hospital and on myself. Thank you so much.